My name is Nagalakshmi. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm studying in Bangalore. I joined QSpiders in June month of last year, like 2024. I did applicantly attended 22 interviews, and from on that, the QSpiders trainers and all they helped me a lot in to grow up myself, and they motivated me to get a better job in other any companies and all. They gave the feedback of their performance and all, and they also helped me to how to work on the other companies and how to grow up in the field and all. And my stream is like ACE, and I think that MNC companies aligned with my stream and all. Thank you for the Q Spiders for all this thing and all. The trainers and HR team was very supportive, and thank for all this thing, all that helping and all.